Hazrat Saeed bin Jubair states that he asked Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, maligning the wife with adultery. He whereupon said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam separated a man from Banu Ajlan from his wife and said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows that one of you is a liar. So does anyone of you repent? But both refused to do so. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows that one of you is a liar. So does anyone of you repent? When they both refused, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam decreed separation between them. Ayyub states that Amr bin Dinar said to me, I do not find you mentioning some parts of this hadith. He whereupon replied, he who maligned said, what about my property? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you will not get it, for if you are true, you have coupled her, but if you are a liar, you exercise no right over it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5349.